We'll guide you through how to make Notion portfolio. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. To start, open your browser so you can reach the tool you want to use. When the browser is ready, go to the search bar and type Notion, then run the search so the site appears. From the list that shows up, choose the first option so you can enter the main page without delay. If you already have an account, log in right away, and if you do not, sign in to make one so you can access your own space. After you enter your workspace, look at the private section on the left side and click the plus button to create a new page. When the blank page opens, type a title that fits what you plan to make. Once the title is set, you can add an image by typing /image in the page. Select the image option, then upload your personal photo. Since this is only a guide, you can imagine that an example photo is used. After the image is placed, adjust its size so it fits the layout in a clean way. Now add a heading by typing /h1, then name it About Me. After the text appears, click and drag it beside the image so both sections sit next to each other. Under the heading, add your description so the page starts to feel complete. Next, go below the image area and type /gallery view to add a gallery. Select New Empty Data Source so you start with a blank space. Give the gallery a name that fits your content. After that, click to add a new page inside the gallery. This is where you can place your works or projects. Keep adding pages until all your work is included. When you open each page in the gallery, you can add an image inside by typing /image again. This makes each project page look clear and easy to read. After placing the image inside the project page, go to the top and add a cover so the page looks complete. If you want to change the cover, look to the right side and click Change, then pick a different cover that fits what you want. By following these steps, you build a clean About Me page with an image, a short text section, and a gallery that holds all your work in one place.